This vegan moussaka is layered with tender roasted aubergines, a hearty lentil and vegetable ragù, soft slices of potato, and a silky vegan béchamel sauce. It's rich, aromatic, and incredibly satisfying. Perfect for a cozy dinner or a special occasion. First, let's gather our ingredients for this delicious dish, serving 6 people. For the roasted aubergines, you'll need 2 large aubergines, olive oil, salt, and pepper. The hearty lentil ragù requires 1 finely chopped onion, 1 chopped courgette, 1 chopped carrot, olive oil, and 2 minced garlic cloves. You'll also need ground cinnamon, dried oregano, tomato puree, a tin of cooked lentils, vegan red wine, water, and vegetable stock powder, seasoned with salt and pepper. For the potato layer, prepare 2 large potatoes, peeled and sliced into thick rounds. Finally, for the silky vegan bechamel sauce, gather vegan margarine, plain flour, unsweetened plant milk, grated vegan cheese, a pinch of nutmeg, and salt and pepper. Now let's begin cooking. First, roast the aubergines. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice the aubergines into 1/2 centimeter rounds. Brush them lightly with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and spread them on a baking tray. Roast for 20 minutes, turning halfway until soft and golden. Next, prepare the lentil ragù. Heat olive oil in a large pan. Sauté the onion and carrot for a few minutes until softened. Then add the courgette and garlic, cooking for another 3 minutes. Stir in cinnamon, oregano, and tomato puree. Add the lentils, wine, water, and stock powder. Season well and simmer for 15 minutes until thick and fragrant. While the ragù simmers, boil the potatoes. Cook the potato slices in boiling water for about 5 minutes. They should be just tender but still firm. Drain and set aside. Now let's make the vegan bechamel. Melt the vegan margarine in a saucepan. Add flour and stir for 2 minutes to form a smooth paste. Slowly whisk in the plant milk until thick, creamy, and lump-free. Season with nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Then melt in the vegan cheese. Finally, assemble the moussaka. Layer in a deep baking dish. Start with 1/2 of the roasted aubergines, followed by 1/2 of the lentil ragù. Then, add the remaining aubergines and the remaining ragù. Next, arrange the slices of potato and pour the bechamel sauce evenly on top. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes until the top is golden, bubbling, and beautifully set. Rest for a few minutes before serving this incredible vegan moussaka. For perfect seasoning, taste each layer, the ragù and bechamel, before assembling. If the ragù is too thick or thin, adjust with a splash of water or a few more minutes of simmering. For extra richness, add a sprinkle of vegan parmesan on top before baking. This dish freezes well and reheats beautifully, making it great for meal prep.